We decided to sell our home, but it was right when my husband made this new friend, Dave, the extreme DIY guy.
You made this?
Yep.
Wow. Looks fast.
It is.
What are you packing under where the hood should be?
It's a 6.
V6? Classic.
No, man, it's way better than that. It's like 6 horsepower. You should hear it purr.
Right.
I was a little nervous when Dave started to talk to us about selling our own home by ourselves. He had some really good points, but Dave's DIY projects don't always work out.
Name one.
Home vaccinations, laser hair removal, tire balancing, backyard roller coaster, home-ground hamburger. Jared, honey, that reminds me, you need to take your deworming medication.
Oh, yeah.
Look, you don't need to hire a pro. Just sell it yourself and you guys will save like a lot of money, you know?
Really? Like, how much?
Like a ton.
Really?
You want to try a shot of my protein smoothie?
Sure.
Made it myself. That bad boy would cost you $3 at the grocery store. This one was free.
Okay, didn't you have to buy the ingredients?
Yeah, it was like $2.75, but I did get a killer deal on bulk tuna.
Saving all that money by selling our own home sounded great, until I started researching what actually goes into selling your own home. Step 1, price the home correctly. Not too high and definitely not too low. Depersonalize the home, pick rooms and control. On contract law. Honey, that's just step 1. Turns out, selling a home is a big deal and very complex. I mean, this is the largest financial investment we've ever made. So, we decided to take it out of Dave's hands and use a professional. Covered on the right, dear.
Thanks, hon.
Man, I can't believe you let your wife talk you into using a realtor.
Yeah, well, sometimes you have to let the wife win to keep the peace.
I heard that.
Because she's usually right.
Well, at least I still get to fill in your cavity, right? Most dentists can charge an arm and a leg.
Wait, what?
You want a protein smoothie before we start?
No, I'm good.
Okay, let's start with the one in the back, that big one.
The molar?
Whatever.
Our realtor has sold dozens of houses, so she knew what to do. And with her knowledge, she not only saved us headaches, but she got us a better price than we thought we'd get. She made the process painless.
Oh, I wish I could say the same for Dave's dentistry.
Trust your largest investment in life to a professional.